Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPOL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to edit criteria for academic programs. Before we get started, please be advised that after submitting your assessment plan, editing the criteria is not recommended. However, the Institutional Assessment Office or the University Assessment Committee may suggest modifications if they identify any errors or areas for improvement during their review. In such cases, our office will reach out directly to the assessment coordinator. Now, to edit the criteria, make sure you have selected the correct academic year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu on the SPOL homepage. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. You should be redirected to the All Assessments by Program page. Then, select the PLO associated with the measure for which you want to edit the criteria. For this example, we will edit the criteria for one of the measures associated with PLO 3. You will then be redirected to the Program Learning Outcome Details page. Click the Measure tab. Click the title of the measure to access the criteria you want to edit. For this example, we're selecting the first measure on the list. Once you're redirected to the Measure Details page, click the Criteria tab. Then, click the title of the criteria for which you want to edit. Now from the Criteria Details page, click anywhere within the description section. The Edit Criteria dialog box will open, allowing you to make your edits. Be sure to click Save after making changes. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about Outcomes Assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!